All right, so everyone remember that GoPro that I put on the Sterling truck at the California 300 down on the suspension? That was kind of in a sketchy spot, and just about everyone was saying that it's a goner for sure. It's not going to make it, especially with Keith driving. Is that one going to survive? Are you going to take care of that one?
Hell yeah, it'll be there when I'm done.
All right, let's get it going.
Giant boulder. Bang, 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 bang.
And once he showed up to the finish line, I went and checked on it, and the mount was still there, but the GoPro had broken off. He had a flat tire that shredded, and you know. So even after checking on it and seeing that it had broken off, I still wasn't that worried about it. I knew the GoPro was out there. It had my name on it. Somebody is gonna find it and return it. That's what happened. So look what has showed up at my doorstep. Gotta say shout out to Johnny Savino, who hit me up on Facebook and said he found my GoPro out in the desert and returned it to my house. So sometimes that's just part of the process. You gotta hook GoPros up in sketchy spots. They're gonna break and they're gonna get, lost in the desert, and you just gotta wait until somebody comes along and finds it and gives it back to you. So all that's left now is to check the footage and see if the card actually survived.